Good afternoon and welcome to the Closing Bell. I'm Searle from TheStreet on Monday, November 18. Today, markets hit a milestone in early trade, the Dow Jones breaking 16,000 as the S&P broke 1,800. But they gave up those gains in afternoon trade, with the Dow set to close just slightly higher, while the Nasdaq and S&P were set to close lower. Sweeping economic and social reform in China was behind early gains. The world's second largest economy will encourage private firms to play a greater role, with state-owned enterprises required to pay higher taxes to government. But economists are sceptical over whether reforms will spell a big boost to Chinese GDP or local stocks. Earlier, I spoke with Matt Cheslock of Virtue Financial. Matt, we broke fresh records today, 16,000 for the Dow in morning trade, 1,800 for the S&P, but we've lost those gains in the afternoon. What happened?
Yeah, I think there was just a little bit of stage fright when it got up there, actually. We've been waiting for this event for so long. We anticipated it Friday, didn't get there, got there today. Really, there's been no new catalyst to get us a little bit higher. We've had some of the market darlings really suffering today, like Facebook and Tesla are down pretty good. So I think everyone's really ready to take a pause, and those numbers were psychological enough. Maybe that we'll finally get that pause.
And how much of an impact did those mooted Chinese reforms have?
Well, I think they're obviously going to be a place where people are going to look to focus their money. At this time, if the Chinese market really opens up, we've had some clarity as far as compliance goes and accounting regularities. So this is a market that is ripe for new investment, and we may see people take their money out of the U.S. and put it into the Chinese market.
In corporate news, Tesla nosedived amid ongoing reports of vehicle fires. Last week, the company also missed earnings expectations. Tech stocks suffered, with Microsoft and Cisco two of the biggest laggards in the Dow. Bank of America cut its rating on Microsoft to underperform from neutral. On the flip side, Boeing was up after the airline booked huge orders at the Dubai Air Show. Goldman Sachs also gained, with reports it is intensifying the sale process of its metals warehousing operations. Coming up tomorrow morning, live from the Nasdaq, our John Marino will have all the overnight action from overseas, along with stories you should be watching to get your trading day started. From TheStreet, I'm Searle in New York. Have a great evening.